calculating arithmetic mean, one type of average, in Python. Is there a built-in or standard library method in Python to calculate the arithmetic mean, one type of average, of a list of numbers?
I am not aware of anything in the standard library. However, you could use something like in NumPy, there's numpy.mean.
NumPy has a numpy.mean, which is an arithmetic mean. Usage is as simple as this.
Use statistics.mean. It's available since Python 3.4. For 3.1 to 3.3 users, an old version of the module is available on Pippi under the name stats. Just change statistics to stats.
You don't even need NumPy or SciPy.
Okay.